Welcome to Joy Art for Kids. Today, we're going to draw a super cool character from the Brainrot Universe. Let's get started. Step 1. Draw the body. Step 2. Draw the first arm. Now, let's add the first arm on the left side. Draw a curved line that goes out and then down, like the arm is relaxing by their side. Step 3. Draw 2 legs. Next, we'll draw 2 legs at the bottom. Make 2 short rectangles or tubes. They should be a little apart, like the character is standing steady, ready to go. Step 4. Draw the other arm holding the stick. Now comes the exciting part. Let's draw the other arm reaching up and holding a wooden sahur stick. Draw the arm going out and slightly upward, and then draw the stick in their hand. Step 5. Add some details. Let's add eyes, eyebrows, a nose, and a big happy mouth to our character. Draw some wood grain lines on the body to make it look more like real wood. Time to color. Let's color everything now. Use a rich brown color for the whole body, head, arms, and legs. You can even add some darker lines to make it look like wooden texture. Don't forget to color the stick the same brown. Awesome work, friends! See you next time with more fun drawings.